Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Shopify store, right? It's very easy to do it, so make sure you follow the instruction very carefully. So to add the music, there's no application in the Shopify. You have to get access of the third party. So basically this is called Elf site and this is a trusted one. They provide a lot of features, so you can just use this one. So if you just click on this, you will be redirected to here and you have to make an ID over it. Just you can just log in it by using your Google ID, right? It's very easy to do it. And once you're here, just go to the search bar and type here music, right? And it will give you the all the third party extensions or features where you can add related to music. So if you want to add a audio player, background music, podcast player or radio player, it's always up to you. And if you have something a different idea, then you can always request a visual, right? So here I will just get a audio player and you can just use this instruction to apply it over all the widgets or features which you want. So this is a music player. You can see just like Shopify, it will give you the template at how it will look. And you can also use this, for example, this is a desktop view and this is a smartphone view, right? So for example, if I just, I'll just go for this one, right? This music player is pretty good one, right? So people can use this. And if I just click on play, the music will be get played, right? And here it's all related or similar to Spotify, right? And once I am okay with the my template, I will click on continue with this template. And once I'm here, you can see this is called publish button. So it's not like something publish. You can just change the style, play or layout, everything, right? So just for a tutorial, I'll just click on publish. And once you click on publish, it will ask you to buy the subscription, right? And you can see it's always depend upon your requirement. For example, you can say that's five, it's only for 5,000, 50,000, 1,50,000, right? So I will just go with the free one, right? And just click on this free if you want to go with the free. And platform tutorial, right? So for example, this is a code, right? So you don't need to select anything from here. You can just click on copy code, and once you click this copy code, you have to go to your Shopify store. Just go to the themes, right? Under this online store, you'll get the option drop down theme, and once your theme, beside customization, you will see the three menu dots. So just click over there, you will get option edit code, right? And once you're here, you have to select where you want to place your music player, right? So for example, here it says that where I can do it, it says that copy and paste this code into desired place for your website, HTML editor, website template or theme, right? So I can just go to my layout, or even though I can just paste it over my theme. You can see, you can just go here theme.liquid if you want to put it there, and just go to the bottom of your code, and here you will find if you're not sure, you can just see here it's script, and it's not very tough, it's very easy to do it. So here it says that in place of script you have to place it, right? So here we can just place it just for confirmation. I will check like this again, and once I'll click on paste. So once I click on paste, it's done, and here I'll click on save, which is on the top right. If it is not proper, sometimes you will get the syntax issue, so you can just remove this syntax here. And once I paste it here, just click on save, and here it says that asset save. So make sure you do it properly. Just say this part carefully, right? Because if you don't do this, then you will get an error here. And once done, I'll just click on exit. And if your store is ready, then you can just view your store. For example, right now my store is not public, that's why I will not able to say it, but yeah, here you can see that my music player is here. So it's very easy to do it, and here I can just play it, or I can just go forward and forward, right? By the way, if you want to change the music, if you make your own music, you can just add it. It's very easy to do, right? So if I just go to customization, and you can just change the templates. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.